Another option you could use to combine the construction contract summary, change orders, and pay apps is to get into VPO. Go to your contracts, contract management, get into the contract itself, and you could click this generate budget report. Save it to your monthly. Do a save as PDF. Again, save it back in your monthly. Open it in Bluebeam. Do a snapshot. Open your report. Modify the tables. And print your budget status report. You may have noticed that one of those previous tables we were replacing had to do with the contract duration and how much time has elapsed. So a different way of generating that report would be in VPO under the calendars. You can click on the statement of calendars or statement of working days, whichever your project is using. Go up to the print option once you're in that module. You got three options. You can basically just click the statement of calendar days, which was all the texts. The inclement weather will give you the graph and show you which days in some detail. For this monthly report, I would just select the statement of calendar days itself. I would print to PDF. Save that under my monthly report. And similar to the budget, I would open the statement of calendar days, take a screenshot, go to my report, again I could enter a new table if I want. We'll rename this one Statement of Calendar Days. Delete that picture, insert our new picture, and again format our table. The request for information submittal summary. These are all pictures that you can basically copy and paste straight from your VPO homepage. Right click on submittals, copy image, right click, you can paste. Go back to RFIs, copy image, right click, paste. To upload your 3-week look ahead, you can find it in any weekly minute. Once you've found it, there's a snapshot option up here under the edit in Bluebeam. So if you click that, you can highlight your area. Get back into your Microsoft document, right click, and paste it there. It will look very small, however, we're more concerned about getting the 3-week look in there. Moving on to issues. These can come straight from your weekly minutes as well. You'll notice that not all project issues merged over from VPO. So what you can do is clear the information here, get into Bluebeam and find your weekly issues, and similar to the 3-week look ahead, you can start taking snapshots. Another way you can go about editing your issues, and the way that I did it, because I think it looks a little bit cleaner, is to clear your issues here, get into Bluebeam, highlight the issue from the meeting minute that you want to copy over, copy it, and then you can paste it. So you'll notice there's 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th column similar to your issues. So again, this may take a little bit longer to copy and paste some of the issues, but you're only going to have to do it once, and then you will be updating each of those reports for the month that follows. The other thing about this is that sometimes it puts random spaces when you copy it straight over from Bluebeam. So you're going to have to do some formatting, pull them back. This was issue number 1, and you put the date was what, 1/17/2017. So if you do it this way, it does come out a little bit cleaner. It does take a little bit longer, like I said, but in the long run, you only have to do it once, and then after that it's simply just cutting and pasting from Bluebeam. Now that you've completed adding all the issues to your monthly report, you can scroll down and you'll notice some more options of adding pictures or anything like that if you'd like to help clarify any of the issues above. For my reports, and I also approved this by Paul, I added a summary of activities table and a summary of CQA activities. So I'm going to delete my table here, and I'm going to add a summary of activities, of CM activities, and I'm also going to add a summary of CQA activities section. So I'll scroll through this real quick and make sure that these are still up to date. If they aren't, I will either add or delete bullets as necessary. And all these bullets look good to me, so I will scroll down to my new summary of CQA activities. One of the ways that I like doing the CQA section is our CQA manager will send a monthly report. I'll open that PDF in Bluebeam, and then I can OCR the report, and then I will simply just cut and paste the report into this table here. Once you've gone through and completed the summary of CQA activities, the last section you're going to want to add would be an overall contract budget status from your project. To do that, you can get onto OneDrive and find whatever invoices you have. Now you're going to want to add a new table. Format the table how you like. You can get into Bluebeam, do a snapshot of your invoice summary. Paste that up here. Get back into your invoice summary. You can copy the graph for the full contract. Paste that into your report. You can also modify any of the text. Scroll back down and go to the specific project, which would be task 2 in this case. Copy. Go back to your report and paste. Again, you can modify. And that will do it for your contract budget status. Make sure you clean anything up formatting wise, and that'll do it for your monthly report.